little pony, my little...
I am Nappa, and this is Vegeta. He was a prison.
Shut up, Nappa!
Bitch.
Break that pencil!
Shoot!
Run to the hills. Run for your lives.
Mama had a chicken. Mama had a cow. Dad was proud. He didn't care how.
Cock push-ups.
Yeah.
What are those?
It's where you fucking lay down flat on the ground,
Yeah.
and then you let your boner lift you up off the ground.
Spastic honk. Spastic honk. Spastic honk.
I know they're all thinking I'm so wide and nerdy. Think I'm just too wide and nerdy. Think I'm just too wide and nerdy. Can't you see I'm wide and nerdy? Look at me, I'm wide and nerdy.
Who loves orange soda? Kel loves orange soda. Is it true? Is it true? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, it's true. Ooh.
Do what you want, cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You're being a pirate is all everything. Do what you want, cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
We are many. You are one. We will destroy you.
Hey kids, I brought you some cookies!
My name is Michael J. Caboose, and I hate babies.
I couldn't become Green Lantern unless I was chosen by the Guardians of Oa. But given enough startup capital and an adequate research facility, I could be Batman.
You could be Batman.
Sure, I'm Batman. See?
Now feed me the rock. Now give me the rock.
Anya, it's a giant worm. They're sinking cities with a giant worm.
This is Sparta!
I took cocaine.
I woke up with that clown's hand in my pants. That's what I did today.
Everything you know is wrong. Black is white, up is down, and short is long. And everything you used to think was so important doesn't really matter anymore, because the simple fact remains that everything you know is wrong. Just forget the words and sing along. All you need to understand is everything you know is wrong.
It's just terrible. Yes? Simply awful. Yes? It's the most horrific trouble I've ever been in, and I really, really, really need your help.
Can it wait for a bit? I'm in the middle of some calibrations.
Free samples for every pony! Okay, that's great. Now, if I could just make a point without being under... Twilight? Erupted.
I'ma let you finish. I'ma let you finish. I'ma let you finish. I'ma let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time. One of the best videos of all time.
I would just like to let everyone know that I suck. And that I'm a girl. What else? And I like ribbons in my hair. And I want to kiss all the boys.
This may be the best surrender of all time.
Oh shit, there's a bear. Could you hand me that shotgun, buddy? Also that chair. We're fighting a bear. Now your life's in grave danger and you don't even care. It's red.
thank you for playing. Well, ain't that sweet? Clearly our lives are now complete. Despite how it ends, you'll play it again. But for now, my friend, this is the end. I love you, baby.
That doesn't even make any sense.